In this video, I am going to show you one of the simple and easy way to make money on Clickbank today. So guys, do watch this video till the end and please do like this video. Okay, I'm not getting so much likes in my videos, due to which I'm not getting the exposure that I deserve, and I think I deserve some exposure. So please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have a Clickbank account, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, then you can easily sign up to Clickbank account. Just search on Google Clickbank, come here, click on start here and follow the step-by-step instruction, and you will be easily be able to create your account on Clickbank. So once you create your account on Clickbank, then just log into your Clickbank account and go to this marketplace, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface, and just type home doctor at this search bar, and then just select this offer. Okay, so firstly click on this affiliate page and visit to their resources page for the affiliates, and what you will notice is just scroll below, and here you can see affiliate terms and conditions. So if you see if you read everything properly at here, then you will see there is no any keyword restriction, which means this product name is home doctor, and you can promote this product in Microsoft Ads, Bing Ads, by targeting the keyword home doctor itself. For example, home doctor book, you can target that keyword and promote this product to get sales in an easy way. Now first thing what you need to do is simply visit to Clickbank and click on this promote button and get your affiliate link for this specific product, and copy that link and save it in some place so that you can reuse it in upcoming time. Now after this, what you need to do is simply visit to Google and type Microsoft Ads and just click on this link, and then sign up to Microsoft Ad by just putting your email address at here and clicking on next, or you can just click on sign up now. Okay, and then follow the step-by-step instruction and you will be able to easily create your Microsoft Ad account. Once you create your Microsoft Ad account, then just log into Microsoft Ad account and click on this tools, and then click on this keyword planner, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface where you can type a keyword or product or service at here. So simply type home doctor book at here, and then you will start to get suggestions from Microsoft Ad. As you can see here, home doctor book PDF, home doctor book digital. Similarly, if you scroll below, home doctor buy home doctor book. Okay, you need to target these kind of keywords. Home doctor PDF. Okay, you can target these kind of keywords and promote this product from Clickbank home doctor book to in Microsoft Ad. So now, in order to learn in a step-by-step process how you can launch a profitable Clickbank campaign in Microsoft Ad for absolutely free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything in order to learn, and for that what you can do is simply visit to YouTube and type Clickbank full course make money with Pawan, and you will see these two course which is same. Okay, and it is just like 1 hour 43 minutes. You can watch any of this course, and in this course I have shown you step by step how you can create your Microsoft Ad account and then do everything. Okay, like I haven't shown you exactly how to run this kind of brand building campaign. Okay, but instead what you will learn is you will learn even another way in which you can promote Clickbank offer by using normal keyword, not that branded keyword like home doctor book. Okay, instead you will learn even another special way which can help you to make money for lifelong. So this was for today, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.